Hello everyone, this is my review of the Linghang One Piece Rare Bedstep. The entire step is made of one-piece aluminum alloy, so it feels solid and sturdily built. It doesn't wobble or feel cheap when I step on it. I also loved how the retractable design works. When I'm not using it, the step folds up cleanly and stays out of the way. But when I need quick access to the truck bed, it deploys smoothly and provides a firm footing. That convenience is a big plus. Another win is the weight capacity. It's rated to support up to 350 pounds, so even with boots and gear, I felt safe stepping up without worrying. If I'm being honest, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Because it's a relatively specific fit for the 2024 Endurance Mu E25 Tacoma, you'll want to double-check your vehicle's specifications to ensure a proper fit. And since it's aluminum with a textured surface, it works great in most weather, but if you often encounter extreme mud or snow, you might want to consider how you maintain it. Overall though, if you have the right truck and want a reliable way to access your bed easily, it's strong, clean looking, and does exactly what it promises. I highly recommend it, and I hope this helps.